Welcome back to the channel. Today interview question is write a Java program to reverse the order of words. Okay, so for this one we have given sentence and we need to change the order of this sentence. Okay, in the last video we have discussed about reverse each word in a given sentence, but in this video so the word will be same, like Java is Java, and the order of Java will change. Okay, so to achieve this one, okay, we will use split. Okay, so sentence dot split, so with the space separated, wherever we have space, so it will create a individual word. Okay, so split is a method that is provided as a given that will write array of strings, sorry. So now we need to convert this into streams. Okay, for arrays dot stream. Okay, so now we have individual words like individual streams. So now we need to write it into a reverse order, right? For this one we will use reduce. This is a method which is part of stream. So reduce will do combine the streams into a single result. Okay, so for this one we will combine two streams into a single result, right? So one comma 2, by using lambda expression we will combine. So now the order should be reversed. So for now what two should be first and word one should be second, right? So now I am just combining two words with the space separated. Okay, so here word one is Java and word 2 is C. Okay, so by using lambda expression I am just reversing these words. So now here is will come first and the second word, and space separated, we have space here, and word 2 is Java, and we will get the results to get. Okay, get method. So let's assign a variable for this one, string reverse word, like, or else we can just write it clear. Okay, let's print it out. So yes. Okay, let's run this application to check the results. Okay, so here we are getting the expected output. The entire sentence is a reverse way. So how exactly here it will work? So in the first iteration, the first word 2 is a is, and word 1 is a Java. So now this 2 is a one single word. It will convert as a single stream. Okay, now for example, in the first iteration this is the first and this is the second, right? And in the second iteration this entire Java is the second word and A is the first word. Okay, in the third iteration this is the first and the programming is a second. In the fourth iteration, so Java is a program and here it will come as language is first. Okay, it will come as a reverse order. Okay, in each and every iteration the first one will go into the last position. Okay, that's how it will happen. So I hope you guys understood this concept, and this is a simple way. There is no complex included. Okay, if you found this video as useful, please do like and share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.